Let's save our design. In the top right, you will see an arrow pointing up. That is how we are going to save or download our designs. Now, saving your design in general, Canva will save each time you make any edit. Canva will save, and this is how you know that your save is up to date. If it has the cloud with the check mark in the middle, it is completely saved. You can go to home and it will be there in your designs. But when you're downloading or sharing, this is where you want to go. Downloading has many options. You have your JPEGs and your PNGs for images, your PDFs. Your PDF print you'll want to use for printables, planners, things like that. Your SVGs for web design. This is a pro feature, your MP4s and your GIFs. Canva will give you a suggested save or download depending on what is in your design, but ultimately you can choose how you would like to save your design. Now, to give someone a link, there are several ways that you can do that. A view only link allows someone to just view your project, so they can only view it by clicking the link. This link is a collaboration link. So with this one, someone can edit, can comment, can view, but this is a collaboration link, so they would be editing the original design inside of your Canva. Let's go to more, and here's your template link. If you were doing a PLR product like this product, you would give someone the template link. This allows them to edit and rebrand your project without actually editing the original project. You can have your brand templates, your view only links, your presentations, social media. There are many different ways to save. Saving with transparency, if you have a transparent background. And I don't use these options very often at all. I actually rarely use those options. The ones that I use the most are the template link and then the download options.